Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have a special diecast card to show you the Hot Wheels 67 Lotus Type 49. This diecast car is a piece of racing history, and I can't wait to unbox it and show you why it's a must have. If you love racing cars, check out my recent video on the Formula E Gen 3 by clicking the link card above or at the end of the video. First, let's look at the packaging. Hot Wheels always does a great job with their design. The colors are vibrant and you can feel the excitement just from the box. Let's open it up. Wow, look at that bright green and yellow color. It's so iconic. This model perfectly captures the original Lotus Type 49, designed by the famous Colin Chapman. Let's take a closer look at the details. It has an aerodynamic shape and the details, from the sponsor logos to the sleek line. This model really stands out. Did you know that the real Type 49 debuted in 1967 Formula One season? And Graham Hill even won its first race at the Dutch Grand Prix. What a legacy! As it often considered one of the most beautiful racing cars ever made. Who else thinks it deserves a spot in the Hall of Fame of racing history? Let me know in the comments. So now let's talk about why this diecast model is a must-have for the collectors. It's not just about the design. Owning this piece connects you to the rich history of the motorsport. My thoughts: at 1:64 scale, this Hot Wheels 67 Lotus Type 49 diecast car fits perfectly into your standard Hot Wheels collection. And the best part is, it's sleek, unique, affordable, and comes in a mini form. How cool is that? So if you're a die-hard racing car fan, this diecast car is definitely worth adding to your collection. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more diecast reviews. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this model, or if there are any other diecast cars you would like me to review. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.